Okay, so a question can come where they give you, okay, so this is a longitude, okay, this is the longitude, okay, and okay, this is the whole circle goes like this. Okay, that is like that. Okay. Okay, so they say this one is the 120 west. This longitude, it is the 120 west. This one is 35 west. This one is 15 east. Okay. And then there are 2 points here. This is point P and this is point Q. And then they ask you a plane starts off at 0515 or 0506, okay, 0510 for example, 0510 at 0510 at Q. What time does it arrive at P? You see, it means I'm moving from Q to P, so I'm going in the negative, right? I'm moving from Q to P. I'm going in this direction, so it means the 15 degrees I'm supposed to subtract it because the number line on this side is negative. So I use the same 15 for every 15 degrees. Whenever I'm dealing with time, I use 15 degrees. So for every 15 degrees, it gives me 1 hour. And then I write SSDF here. You remember the SSDA, meaning same, you subtract, different you add. Same letters, or same signs or same letters. So we come there, we look at this. So what's the latitude at the longitude at P? Is 120. You can see the longitude at P is 120. What about the longitude at Q? It's also 35, and all of them are WW. Everything these ones are same. And for same signs WW, it means same signs we subtract. So we're going to subtract. So it means the angle that I'm looking for, theta, will be equal to 120 subtract 35. What are you going to get? 120 minus 35. What is 120 minus 35? So you calculate that. 120 minus 35, what's the answer? It is 85. So it is 85 degrees. So I'll take my 85. I'll bring it here. What about 85 degrees will give me x? I want to find 85 degrees in hours. So that will be cross multiply. So that will give me 15x. It will give me 15x is equal to 85. When I divide by 15 there, even there by 15, you remember this type of mathematics, did it in grade 8. So what do? What number can go into 15? And that is 3, 3 into 15. It is 5, Yes, 5. Actually, yes, 5. 3 into, okay, let's not use 3. Let's use 5 itself. 5 is better. So 5 into 15, it is 3, right? 5 into 8, it is 1, remainder 2 on 25, right? 5 into 25, it is 5. Am I correct? 5 into 15, it is 3. 5 into 8 is 1. Remainder 3, not remainder 2. Remainder 3. So here to be 35, eh? It's 8. This is 5. So 5 it becomes 35 there. There is remainder 3. So 5 into 35, it is 7. Yeah. So it is 7 over 3, eh? Yeah. Because that is, yeah. Yeah, correct. So 17 over 3. And then what do? You continue simplifying. So x is equal to 17 over 3. Can 3 go into 17? It can't. So you do the improper fraction. So 3 into 17, it goes 5, which is 15, remainder 2 over 3. So it means 5 hours, 2 over 3 minutes. So I'll pick this one, and then I solve it as a fraction. So it will be 2 over 3 times 60, since it's in minutes. Okay? So 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 60, 2. 2 times 20, 40. 40 minutes. So it means 5 hours, 40 minutes. 5 hours, 40 minutes. That's what I will use. Okay. So 5 hours, 40 minutes. Eh? So I was moving from what to what? According to the question. I was moving from what to what? I'm moving from Q to P. That's what the question was saying. Q to P. At Q to P, yes. Q to P. So it means I'm going the opposite, so I'm subtracting. So 0, 5, 10. I have to get that time. 0, 5, 10. 0, 5, 10. I'm subtracting what? 5 hours, 40 minutes, right? That's what I'm subtracting, huh? That's what I'm subtracting. So, what are we going to do there? So these are the minutes. So, what do? This day 0 minus 0 is 1. You see, the number on top is smaller, so I have to borrow 1 hour from the hours. So I have to borrow 1 hour there. It's going to be what? What do you do there? You borrow 1 hour from the hours. Okay. This is gonna be tough. What are we gonna do? Because once we borrow 1 hour here, it's going to be 4. 1 hour you put there, which is 1 hour and 2 minutes, 60 minutes. So 60 plus 10 is going to be 70. 70. We have to change the time. I shouldn't have put 05. It's not going to work. So I'll change this time. We're not going to use this time. Let's say the person started off at a different time. So it means in the question, I need to change the time. In the original question, where's the original question? Because it won't work. So it means here, the person didn't start off at this time. Let's say the person started off at 08 hours or 0805. Okay, so that it's able to subtract 0805. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so originally you make sure you use 0805 there on the timer, not the one that I put here to 10, because I'm making these questions just to make you understand. So because you can't subtract a small number from a larger one, it's not possible. So it means when it's like this, yes, so what do? You always get 1 hour from the hours. So here to be 7 hours. You pick 1 hour from 08 hours. You add that 1 hour this side, it becomes kiss time. That's what you do. You just don't subtract direct, because you need to get 1 hour from the hours there. Okay? Because you can't subtract 0 minus 4. So you have 75 as 65. So that would be 5. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 2, 0, 2 hours. So it is 0225. That's the time, the other side. 0225. You see? Because roughly that's how you do it. Okay? You take 1 hour from the hour, so it becomes 7. 1 hour from 8 hours. 7 hours. 1 hour when it goes this side, it becomes minutes. So it becomes 60 minutes. 60 minutes times 5, plus 5 to give you 65, and then subtract to give you 25.